Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preventing new logs from being created. First, back up contacts and photos to local storage, not cloud. Once done, switch off Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth so apps can't send logs. Put the phone into airplane mode and plug in a charger. You want a stable power state. Make sure developer options are enabled if needed, because you'll access system logging later. This cuts the chance of missing active sessions while you remove stored logs. You now find where logs live and remove them safely. Open Settings, go to Apps, and clear cache and storage for apps that collect a lot of data, because that immediately purges local logs. Next, if your system uses developer options, avoid generating new bug reports. If one exists, delete it. Then use a file manager or ADB to remove log folders such as /log and app-specific log files, making sure you have correct permissions. This step removes persisted entries that apps cannot recreate until restarted. You finish by preventing future logging and verifying removal. Revoke unnecessary permissions like microphone, location, and storage for apps that log aggressively, because restricted access stops new captures. Then open each app's privacy or settings pane and turn off analytics, crash reporting, and auto uploads. This is why you won't reintroduce logs. Once done, reboot the phone, recheck known log folders, and run a privacy scanner to confirm. If something breaks, restore your local backup and repeat the targeted permission removals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.